Come to Yeeha and earn generous income. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to introduce to you guys a new target app called Yeeha. Yeah, there are so many ways that one can earn rewards on here, and in this video I'm going to spill them out. You guys know I know they get keep every information I have about app. I used to spill it out, so watch this video to the end. Do not skip any of it so that you know how to earn on this app. This is not a tax app, please guys. Yes, there are some tax there though, but those tax will not help you to withdraw fast. So you need to work. Yeah, you need to work more for you to earn very fast. All right, so to get started, click the link at my comment section or my description to take you to Play Store where you will download this app. After downloading it, it will take you to this place. Then you sign in with your Google. Okay, yeah, choose your Google account, you sign in. Once you bind, yeah, once you sign in, it will open like this. Then you click on check-in. Yeah, you have check-in for the day. You click on mine. I check in, they give me 80 coin. So you click on mine. Then for you to join agency, you need to send your ID for me, okay? Like this ID now, you need to send it to me. So I will invite you and you accept it in your message. You come to your message here, you see where they write, where my message, when I invite you, you see it on message. So you click on agree and join my agency. So for there is a free gift here too. They said when you follow them on Facebook, they will reward you with 20,000. Yeah, it's like 20,000 coins. They will reward you with. Yeah, if you follow them on Facebook, you'll get that. So if you want to invite someone, you click on invitation and invite your friends and loved one. Okay, so that's about invitation. So for you to perform your task, you click on party. But before then, the withdrawal method is self withdrawal. Okay, let's click on diamond. Yeah, because I've not no diamond here now, you'll not see withdrawal. Once you gift yourself, you see withdrawal. Okay, the withdrawal days is on Friday. Yeah, every Friday. If you want to withdraw through official, every Friday. But if you want to withdraw through Coinseller, is every day. Okay, so the minimum withdrawal is $5, which is 1 million coin. Yeah, 1 million diamond is $5. Okay, yeah, 1 million diamond is $5. So once you get up to 1 million diamond, which is $5, you can withdraw. So yeah, for you to perform tasks, you click on party, you click on your room here, you see people online playing game and gambling. Yeah, like I said, this is not a tax app, it is a target app. So for you to make money here, you need to buy coin, play game, gamble, and perform their small tasks. Let's click on mine. You click on tax, their task dashboard will open. So these are the tasks that you can perform and earn. Enter others room for 15 minutes, you receive 10 coin. Enter others room and on my for 10 minutes, you receive 3 energy. Yeah, that 3 energy will help you when playing game. You send moon in any room, you receive 500. You host in your own room for 15 minutes, you get 2 energy. Invite one person into your room, you get 100 coin. If you consume 50 points of energy, you get 5 energy. So this is the weekly one. When you send a cute dolphin in any room, you get 2,400. 5 super car in any room, you get 30,000 coin. 30 pearl shell in any room, you get 1.8. Accumulate 100 fishing trips in fishing hunting, you get 2,500. Receive 100 starfish in any room, you receive 100. Receive one king's dragon in any room, 28,500. Receive one sweet word in any room, 15,000. And when you recharge once, they reward you with 13,000. Then this is the advanced task. When you follow 5 people, you reward you 200 coin. When you become friends with 10 people, 400 coin. When you successfully bound a CP relationship, 10,000 coins. When you follow 10 rooms, 300 coins. And when you receive moon in any room, 10 moon in any room, you receive 10,000 coins. So these are their reward when you perform them. So this is where to click. You click on party, you click on room, then yeah, you create your own room. So here now, you put your room cover and room name. After that, you click and enter your room. Okay, you welcome them, confirm create. I'm going to create it like this. Yeah, I'm going to create it like this. So you can put your profile picture. Okay, write your room name and you enter. That's it. Let me change my room name and write it another thing. So anything you like, you can write it in your room name. Okay, so I've written my own now. Welcome everybody and have fun. Room background, confirm create. I've created my own room. So once you create room now, yeah, you click on tab and enter your room. I am sitting on my room right now. Then this is their gift button. So first one is for gifting hot, login is for gambling, and we have other other things. Yeah, you can always check on your backpack to see if you have a free lucky package. So these are the gifts. So that moon that they say when you send up to 20 moon in somebody's room, you earn 10 moon in somebody's room, you earn 10,000 coins. Is this one? This one the right Ramadan moon. That is it. So you just check for them. Both the street wedding and and the other ones they said when you send you earn. So this is it. It is self-gifting, self-gambling, self-withdrawal. Everything you do it by yourself. Okay. So you can also go to other people's room to interact with them to make friends. Okay, it's very very important. All right. So yeah, now once this hour is finished reading now, okay, they'll ask you to click it and receive a gift. That is that Facebook gift I'm telling you. So once you log in your Facebook and join the platform, you receive coin there. All right. So that's all about it. Yeah. So guys, this is the withdrawal button. When you click on withdrawal button, it will open. Have you seen it? 1 million diamond is $5, 4 million is $20, 10 million is $50, 20 million is $100, 40 million is $200, and 60 million diamond is $300. So any of them you meet up here now, you place your withdrawal. If you want to withdraw through official every Friday, if you want to withdraw through Coinseller, which is trader, it is every day. Okay, so that's all. You can also earn through their through these things, yeah, through top up, through weekly star, and through all these. Okay, so through recharge and also through room reward. Okay, so that's all about Yeeha. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, turn on your notifications so that whenever I make any upload like this, you will be notified. Bye bye guys, see you in my next one.